I've been telling you that if you wanted me to cook something special, just send me a message or a request and I will do my best to do it. I saw where someone was asking how to make a gluten-free box cake with no eggs. And this person I know is not gluten-free, so I was trying to do something that just about everybody would have in their cabinet and not have to go buy something special. So what we're using to replace eggs is the liquid out of garbanzo beans. Now you can use any white bean because they have a milder flavor and won't affect your cake as much. If you're already gluten-free, there's things in our cabinets like arrowroot, tapioca starch that you can use, but this is something anybody can have and anybody can go get. And what we're going to do is use 3 tablespoons of the liquid, and I have drained it into a bowl. And I've saved the garbanzo beans so I can make hummus or falafels or something. But anyway, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of the liquid per egg. So let's get started and see how it turns out. I'm not going to use my stand mixer. I'm going to use a hand mixer. And we're just going, but this is what we're using is Betty Crocker gluten-free cake mix. And we're going to go by the directions on the box with the exception of the eggs. So we've got our cake mix in our bowl. And it calls for a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now, if you're going dairy-free, you can use ghee right here. And you're going to see a lot more dairy-free recipes from me because I'm fixing to take dairy completely out of my diet. So we've got a 1/2 cup of butter. We need 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And like I said, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of the liquid per egg. And we need 2 eggs at 6 tablespoons. And 6. Now, if you're looking online and you find, this is called Aquafaba. If you're looking online, Aquafaba. And all it means is bean liquid. If you're looking online, a lot of places say whip the bean juice before putting it in there, but there's really no need for that. So let's go ahead and get it mixed up. You can make your own bean liquid using any mild bean, any white bean, chickpeas or garbanzo beans. You can do your own if you want. And see, it's just looks the same. I have greased a 9x13 pan. I've sprayed it with my olive oil. I've got my oven preheated to 325 degrees. And this will bake for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. But I'm excited to try it out. And if there's anything you want me to try out for you, then just send me a message. Leave it in the comments of anything I do. Check my comments. And I'll be glad to do anything. I don't know why it said to use a 9x13 pan, because that's going to be a thin cake. I usually don't use one this big, but I wanted to go specifically by the instructions because that's what I was asked to do. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep checking it. And I'll be back in a little bit to see how it turns out. Okay, it was baking for 30 minutes, and as you can see, the toothpick comes out clean. It's very hot, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Now, if I were going to make this just for my family, I would use a smaller baking dish. But if you're baking it for a crowd of people, then this is good. This is a good sheet cake. Now, it's, like I said, it's very hot, so it's going to come out a little crumbly. There you go. It works good. Look, it's not too dense. And the taste is just fine. It does not give it any awkward taste or anything. It tastes just like a vanilla cake. So there you go. And I do want to say, I know the person that's making this cake is not gluten-free. So she's got to be making it for somebody with allergies. And that just touches my heart. Somebody going out of their way to learn to do something. But I appreciate her, and I hope this works for you, Cheryl. And you have a blessed day and happy holidays. And if this video has helped you any, please click the like button and subscribe. We will be making some more dishes today. So make sure you click on that bell too, so you'll be notified when I upload them. And again, if you have any questions and want to learn how to do anything, please let me know. I will absolutely do my best to make it work for you. Thank you and have a blessed day.